So I'm going to be showing you how to get into TikTok Shop Creators Pilot Program. This is actually a new program on TikTok. In order for it to actually get into it, the first step you need to take here is to go to your TikTok app. Now on the home page on your TikTok app, go ahead and click on the search button found at the top right corner, just like this. Go ahead and search for Creator Search Insights. So right here, go ahead and click on View. So once you click on View, swap just like this and click on this one. So if you're actually eligible, you're going to see this. So at the bottom, all you need to do is to click on Apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate. So you can go ahead and click on Apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate if you're eligible. Then you're going to see this where you can actually click on Accept Invite, and you're going to be able to get into the TikTok Shop Creators Pilot Program. So this is how simple it is to get into it. If you're not seeing this, it actually means that you're not eligible, and if you want to be eligible, tell me in the comment section how to actually get into it, and I'm going to make a full video on how to be eligible for this Creators Pilot Program on TikTok. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell.